Are you thinking about getting a new TV but not sure if you should choose 4K or 8K? You've probably heard both terms, and they sound fancy, but what do they really mean, and is the price difference worth it? This video makes it easy to understand so you can choose the TV that fits your needs, your space, and your budget without any confusion. Let's start with the basics. A 4K TV has a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, which is about 8 million tiny squares, called pixels, that make the picture. That's 4 times better than a regular HD TV. A 8K TV, however, has 7680 by 4320 pixels, over 33 million pixels, which means extremely sharp images, especially on very big screens. The problem is that there's very little content made in 8K. Most shows and movies are still in 4K or HD, so 8K TVs use a feature called upscaling to improve lower quality videos. Let's look at some real examples of popular 4K TVs in stores today. Many people go for the LG OLED C4 Series for its deep blacks and vivid colors, while the Samsung QN90C Neo QLED is excellent in bright rooms. The Sony Bravia XR A80L offers smooth motion and good sound. For budget-conscious buyers, TCL QM8 and Hisense U8K give great value and features. Other solid 4K models include the Panasonic MZ1500, Philips OLED 807, Sharp Aquos XLED, Vizio Quantum Pro, and the Amazon Fire TV Omni QLED. All of these offer top-notch visuals and are trusted by customers in the USA and UK. Now for the 8K TVs that are known worldwide. The Samsung QN90C Neo QLED 8K is sleek and ultra-sharp, and the Sony Bravia XR Z9K is one of the best for realistic detail and upscaling. LG's QNED99 and Signature Z2 OLED 8K are excellent for cinema lovers. If you're looking for something more affordable, TCL's X955 and Hisense U9 are entry-level 8K TVs. Also, Sharp and Samsung's Q800T offer big screens and next-gen picture quality. However, remember that even these 8K models mostly show upscaled 4K content since native 8K shows and movies are still rare. So what's the real difference? If you put a 55-inch 4K and a 55-inch 8K TV side by side, the difference is barely noticeable unless you sit really close. But with a 75-inch or 85-inch screen, 8K TVs start to shine, especially for fine details like hair, textures, or nature scenes. That said, most people sit 6 to 10 feet away, and at that distance, 4K already looks amazing. So unless you want a massive screen or love being on the cutting edge, 4K is more than enough for daily watching. Now, let's hear what real customers are saying. 4K TV owners love the sharpness, the easy setup, and how well it works with Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and gaming. Many say it's the best upgrade from older HD screens. On the other hand, 8K TV owners enjoy the sharp visuals and future-proof features but often say, "I wish there was more true 8K content." Some feel they spent extra money for a feature they rarely use. Still, they are happy with the upscaling performance and future readiness. So here's the bottom line, 4K TVs are perfect for most people. They're more affordable, widely supported, and offer stunning picture quality. 8K TVs are ideal for tech lovers or those building a high-end home theater with very large screens. Ask yourself, do I watch a lot? How big is my space? How far do I sit from the screen? Do I want the latest or just something that works perfectly now? These answers will help you make the best decision without overspending.